Namaste students. I am very glad to connect with you all once again through this e-learning method. In this art education Carnatic music video, we are going to learn about two theory parts. First is the classification of the instruments and second one is the sabas. Now let's look about the classification of instruments. There are three main types of classification: string instruments, wind instruments, and percussions. String instruments are the instruments such as violin, guitar, harp, and bass. These are the instruments which are played either by strumming or plucking the strings with the fingers, which is the case for guitars and harps, or by gliding a bow across the strings for violins and cellos. In the case of a stand-up, all three methods may be used to play the instrument. Classic example of a string instrument in Carnatic music could be veena and violin. Now let's look upon the second classification called as the wind instruments. These are the instruments which are played by blowing air into the reed, which is attached by a windpipe to the instrument, which has valves situated along its length to regulate the flow of air. These are the valves which are primarily important for a wind instrument for a constant playing. These wind instruments are constructed of wood, which gives them a distinct sound. Now, classic example of a wind instrument is the flute. In our Carnatic music, we use nadaswaram. Now, the third classification would be percussion. The most commonly known form of a percussion instruments are drums. However, triangles, cymbals are also considered to be as the percussion instruments. These are the instruments which are struck with the drumsticks or the flat palm of the hand to produce sound. Cymbals are stuck against one another to produce sound, or they can be struck with a drumstick or brushed with a percussion brush. Classic example of a percussion instrument in our Carnatic music could be mridangam, and in Hindustani music we follow tabla. Now these are the three important classification of instruments. Now let's learn about the sabas. What are sabas? In South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu, popularly it refers to a body or organization which are involved in the promotion of the fine arts such as Sastriya Sangeetam. It also promotes drama among numerous other arts. These sabas are concentrated at a place called as Mylapore in Chennai and are instrumental in ensuring the rasikas from all parts of the world treated with variety during the music and dance season of Margazhi, which is popularly known as the December season of Chennai. In our Chennai, we have numerous sabas known as Naradagana Sabha, Brahmagana Sabha and Music Academy. We shall study in detail about the sabas in our next video. Now, I always say to my students, practice makes a man perfect. You do your vocal practices daily, or if you follow any instruments, do the practice daily. If you do your vocal practices daily, your voice will attain flexibility. Now, keep practicing, keep studying. Namaste.